isn't it boring if we just exercise like this? That's why me and my teammate has modified this thing to make it more interesting and make it as a game. My name is Ashraf bin Rashad and I am from Group 8, and in this video I would like to demonstrate how our project works. As we can see from this video, the speed of the car depends on how fast the player cycle the exercise pedal. As we can see, the faster the player cycle the exercise pedal, the faster the car will go. If the player cycle too slow, the car will not move. But if the player start to cycle at an acceptable speed, the car will start moving again, and the faster the player cycle, the faster the car will go. And if the player stops cycling, the car will stop moving. I do believe that most of you must be wondering, how does it work? How can this exercise pedal move this car? So let's take a deeper look to this exercise pedal to know how does it work. So first of all, we can see that there are two magnets attached to this exercise pedal. The first magnet and then the second one. So we can also see that there are two sensors attached at this exercise pedal. The first one and the second one. So what is this sensor? This is a Hall effect sensor. So whenever a magnet is located near the sensor, the LED will light up and will give high logic level to the Esp8266. Same goes with the other sensor. Whenever a magnet is located near the sensor, the LED will light up and it will give high logic signal to the Esp8266. So with this sensor, we can use it to move a car. So first of all, when a player cycle this exercise pedal, the first magnet will be detected by the first sensor, and the second magnet will be detected by the second sensor. So by using this concept, we can know whether the player has complete one cycle or not. So the first sensor detected and the second sensor detected. So we can use it to tell the Arduino that the player has complete one cycle. So that is the first secret. But the second one is, how can we know how fast the player cycle the exercise pedal? So the car will move based on how fast the player cycle. So there is another secret behind this. So whenever the first sensor detect, there is a timer in the coding that will be kept in a variable. So when the sensor detect the magnet, there will be a timer detected, and when the other sensor is detected, there will be another timer. So we can use this timer to indicate how fast the player cycle the exercise pedal. So the shorter the timer is recorded in the Esp8266, so the faster the car will go. So that is the secret behind the exercise pedal. So now let us take a look how to steer the car to the left or to the right. So to steer the car to the left or to the right, we are going to use this controller. There are two touch sensors located on this controller, the first one and the second one. So the left side touch sensor is to use to steer the car to the left, and the right one is to steer the car to the right. So in order to steer the car, you just need to touch the left sensor to steer this car to the left, and the right sensor to steer the car to the right. But in order for you to steer the car to the left or to the right, first of all, you need to cycle the exercise pedal. So now let us take a look. You need to cycle the exercise pedal while touching the touch sensor. So let's steer the car to the left. See, like that. And then let's steer the car to the right. Let's steer the car back to the left. Let's steer the car back to the right. Okay, that's all how to steer the car to the right or to the left. So now, let us take a look at the last sensor used in this project, which is IR sensor. The sensor is located at the track for the game, and it was placed at the finishing line. The sensor is used to detect whether the car has reached the finishing line or not. So let me demonstrate. So whenever the car has reached the finishing line, there will be a red LED light up, and it will give low logic level signal to the Arduino. So by using this sensor, we can detect whether a car has reached the finishing line or not. The sensitivity of the sensor also can be set, but for the time being, the sensitivity is set just enough to detect the car alongside this range, as you can see. So that's all the sensor used in this project. So for the IoT part, our group have decided to use a Telegram app. I do know that Blink is the most popular IoT application that is widely used by everyone, but there is some flaws in the app, and we want to seek a new challenge. So we have decided to choose the Telegram as our IoT application. I do believe that most of us know Telegram as an app to communicate with each other. But most of us do not know that Telegram has a secret feature, which is we can make our own bot. So there is a tutorial on YouTube or any other website how to create our own chatbot. For this project, we have created our own bot named StayFit or StayFed. We can communicate with this bot. And we try send start. We can change what the bot reply by changing it in our coding. So before starting the game, the red LED will light up. So it indicates that the game is not ready and player can't start playing the game yet. So to start the game, send start. We wait for a while. Welcome to Stay Fit or Stay Fed, and there will be a start button. So to start the game, you just need to press the start button. And this game has started. Start cycling notification will comes up, and we can see that green LED will light up and red LED will turn off. So it indicates that the game has started and the player can start cycling. So that's all for the IoT part. So now let us play the game. First of all, we turn on. We need to wait for a few seconds. until the red LED lights up. Okay, the red LED lights up. It indicates that the game is ready to be played. So, to start the game, we just need to send a start command to our board. We wait for a few seconds until the button pops up. So, to start the game, we just need to press the start button and wait until the green LED lights up. Okay, the green LED lights up. So let's play the game. Oh my god. Okay. Woo! Okay. Yes. As you can see, our time is 23 seconds. So it's quite hard to control. So if you can beat my time, then go on. So the red LED then will light up, indicate that the game has finished.